morning, everyone. My name is Neha. Today, December 22nd. Today, Maths Day. The great mathematician Srinivas Ramanujan sir birthday celebrated Maths Day. I like maths. I would like to explain about shapes. The sheet triangle had three sides. The sheet square had four sides are equal. The sheet rectangle had four sides and opposite sides are equal. Circle has no sides. Thank you. My name is Little Priya. I study in UKG in Selection School. Today, I want to explain about the numbers coming before and after a number. 1 before and number 0, 2 after number 2. 2 before number 1 after number 3. 3 before number 2 after number 4. 4 before number 3 after number 5. 5 before number 4 after number 6. Thank you. Morning everyone. My name is Ketan. I am studying UKG. My school name is Charachandra School. My teacher name is Sarla Maran. Today about Maths Day. Explain 5 table. 5 1 is 5. 5 2 is 10. 5 3 is 15. 5 4 is 20. 5 5 is 25. 5 6 is 30. 5 7 is 35. 5 8 is 40. 5 9 is 45. 5 10 is 50. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Teju. I studying in UKG. My school name is Charachandra Play School. Today we are celebrating Maths Day. ONE1 TWO2 TH23 FOUR4 FIV5 SIX6 SCVEN7 numbers. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Monisha. I studying in UKG. My class is my school name is Charachandra Play School. These are additions. 2 plus 3 5. 9 plus 3 12. 7 plus 4 11. 3 plus 6 9. 30. 6 plus 7 13. 4 plus 9 13. 3 plus 5 8. Thank you. My name is Nitya.
I am studying
I study in this UKG. My school name is Sachandra Prasur. Yesterday, topic after is before 5. Six after 7. Before 3. Seven before 6. 7 after. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Kushal. I am studying UKG. My school name is Alexander Preston. Today, as the addition, subtraction,